Guys, this is Russ with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, today with another highly requested video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to replace the screen on a Garmin Vivoactive HR. So let's go ahead and begin. Take the heat gun, go on the edges of the screen. Since this heat gun is intended for very high heat, don't go very close to the screen, just enough to heat it up. Don't want to heat it up too much because then you'll actually destroy the LCD. So next you just get this Pry Tool. Go ahead and start from an edge. Go underneath. Don't go in so far into there. Just go barely, slightly into the screens. Just not even a lot, because you will go into the LCD and you will damage it. So just go slightly and just work your way around. Okay, since that's done, there will be two ribbons that you will have to unhook. Go ahead and grab them on the ends and just pull them both off. Go ahead and get your replacement screen. The bottom ribbon goes on first. And the top, slightly bigger ribbon goes on top. You won't be able to put on the small ribbon after you put on the big one, because the big one will cover it and won't allow it to sit properly down. So after that, go ahead and get a flathead. Just work your way around and get all that extra residue out of there. It usually comes off pretty easy after you just get it down a little bit. So after that's all taken care of, go ahead and apply your B7000. A good amount, because you want it to be waterproof and you don't want it to sweat to get in and corrode the board. So you will have to add a good amount into the edges of where the screen is gonna sit. So next, you go ahead and just, on the side you will see this ribbon with a bunch of resistors and filters. You would have to slide it into there. There's a groove that it will sit into, and you just go ahead and press down, and all you do is just take a clamp or a rubber band and bound it up, and then it's ready to go. And that is how you replace the screen on a Vivoactive HR.